Scooters have superpowers in two key areas of portability and accessibility. For example, they're much more portable than e-bikes and much easier to ride than e-skateboards or electric unicycles. There are many products available to choose folding electric scooter, each with different characteristic, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best folding electric scooter from reputed brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dolly Lightweight Foldable Adult Electric Scooter. The Dolly Foldable Electric Commuter Scooter has a maximum end peak of 650 W and a variable power range of 250 W. Its top speed of 15 miles per hour, travel distance of 15 miles per charge, airless, never pop tire design, and rear anti-lock brakes provide a safe ride on even the hilliest journeys. We adored its 26-pound frame, integrated rolling wheel, and luggage bag, which made it perfect for road trips and flights. This makes it a fantastic choice if you're seeking for one of the top commuting electric scooters. It might not be as smooth of a ride as heavier, dual suspension vehicles because it just has a rear suspension. However, its strong battery, high horsepower, simple controls, and safety features, along with its extremely portable design and features, make it a wonderful all-around scooter that strikes the ideal mix between quality, power, and travel friendliness. The best folding mobility scooter with a large battery range is another kind that is convenient for traveling. Number 2. Razer E300 Electric Scooter. Electric scooter with a 300W motor, Razer E300. Its top speed is 15 miles per hour, and a single charge lasts for 40 minutes of travel. It's fun, vintage style, simple to use starting and grip throttle, which new riders will find familiar, and very easy to learn to ride safely, as well as its incredibly quiet chain-driven motor impressed us, even while it provides ample power for the majority of commuting and recreational applications. Some riders may not appreciate the long charging time of up to 12 hours. However, its light 26 pounds weight, extra thick frame, extra wide deck that fits a greater variety of rider sizes, fun to ride vintage style, and powerful, safe scooter that's easy to travel with make it the ideal option for beginner riders. Number 3. Segway 9Body S2 Electric Kick Scooter. A 300W electric scooter with a top speed of 15 miles per hour and a range of up to 15 miles per charge is the Segway 9Body S2. It has switchable cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, mobile security and navigation app compatibility, and mechanical and electric anti-lock braking systems. Its simple to read LED display for speed, battery life, and mileage 1R approval, and it was convenient to transport and store in a car trunk thanks to its relatively low weight and foldability. Although it's airless, non-pneumatic tires offer pop-proof safety. They aren't suited for more challenging roads and streets. But for an extremely contemporary, fully functional electric scooter with sufficient power for the majority of working professionals and enthusiasts, it's a terrific deal. Number 4. Razer Sweet Pea E100 Electric Scooter. A 100W folding electric scooter is called the Razer E100. Its peak speed is 10 miles per hour, and a full charge allows for 40 minutes of continuous riding. We adored its simple-to-use starting, grip throttle, and incredibly quiet chain-driven motor. We particularly loved its eye-catching color, which makes it more visible on the road for enhanced safety while still giving it a pleasant appeal. Its fairly modest battery power of 40 minutes per charge may not be sufficient for all commuting demands, and it has one of the slower peak speeds on the market. A terrific option is one of the finest electric scooters for kids or adults. It is safe and dependable for ages 8 and up and among the best bargains on the market thanks to its light 26 pounds weight, simple, easy to learn controls, vibrant colors, and large grip front tire. Number 5. Xprit Electric Scooter. The 250W, 27 pounds, folding Xprit electric scooter has a peak speed of 15 miles per hour and is made of robust aluminum alloy. There are 3 power settings available: Eco, Comfort, and Sport. The highest speed is decreased to slightly about 10 miles per hour in Eco mode, but the maximum range per charge is increased to 15 miles. We like the cruise control in Comfort mode and the increased top speed in Sport mode, as well as the compact but legible LED control panel and display that made moving between them simple. Although it's lower than average, 220 pounds maximum weight capacity may be too low for larger adults. Its intuitive, simple to learn controls are perfect for novices and youngsters, and it has adequate power for most hills.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information pf if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Thank you.